Welcome to another video, everybody. My name is Black Panther here, and so today is another video. I've uploaded two today. That didn't make any sense, did it? I said today is another video. No, today is not a video. Today is a day. Today is a day, okay? And today is a day that I'm uploading two videos, and maybe even three, because I honestly don't know, and I'm bored as heck. So yeah, look, I just got something to my AJ book, whatever. But yeah, look, this still doesn't work. I was hoping it would work. That would be really pleasant, but yep, it still doesn't load in when you go on your animal. So maybe AJ will fix that, and I really hope they do. But I've started to add lots of things in my AJ book. But anyways, as I said, playing a game. Whoa. Wow. Refresh. Yeah, a lot of you probably know that AJ is a very laggy game sometimes. And it's probably me of going on a full server too, so yeah. I'm not that popular on YouTube yet, but I don't care because I do have some subscribers and I like that. These are some of my friends here. This is my old account. The friend from YouTube, friend from YouTube. Sure, I know that guy there. He knows me from YouTube. He commented on one of my videos. But I was supposed to be going and playing a game. Not Swoopy Eagle. That game is torture right now. Playing Wonder Rider. It's not challenging at all, so it's just a little simple game I'm gonna play for a bit during the video. If you don't wanna, if you actually are completely bored and don't mind getting more boredom, go watch my other video where I played Swoopy Eagle. I was on a rant there. That game is, oh my god. But I think Wonder Rider is kind of like Sky High but backwards. Not like the game is totally different. I mean, like you're going down to collect gems instead of going up. That's what I mean by that. I'm missing lots here. See, stupid Phantom. We're just gonna play this a couple times. One of my friends just logged on. I'm gonna check that quickly. Chica, come on. So we're gonna do Wonder Rider, and then we're gonna try and complete Sky High. On my other account, I beat it 22 times, but never yet on this account. My new account with my Eagle Tiger. Yeah, this account. I don't need to explain that. There we go. If you see this stuff up here, it's just a little virus on my computer. Well, not a virus. It's an ad thing which is on it. It's not a virus or anything. But let's see who's on Jamagram. Well, that's funny, mate. Here you go. There you go, mate. There you go, buddy. You can have that. Let's see. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go play Sky High. I just realized I don't have to do all that. Just cut through because Eagles are so awesome. But I think AJ, they should have thought through of how you can literally just sit in the air, do random stuff in the air. They should have thought that through. Maybe they'll fix it. Maybe they won't. It's honestly, it's not a big deal, but it's kind of awkward. But it's not really something to fuss about, I don't think. Well, in my opinion, I don't really mind that. I don't really care about that, but some people do. So I guess it'd be cool if they. Cool. I mean, it would be good if they did fix that, where you can't just do that. But at the same time, it's kind of cool, but it's not at the same time. So yeah, I'm just puzzled. But we're gonna play Sky High. I'm gonna play Sky High here. And yeah. The eagle is completely beast. Like the wings just like boom. But you know it's also weird. How could an eagle possibly like fail on Sky High? Because if you think of it, it wouldn't. If it could fly, like eagles can fly, when it falls, wouldn't it just fly back up? Like that's kind of awkward. Like if I do fly, I mean if I do fall during this game here, you'll see how dumb that is. But they honestly, I think they really should work on that. Or maybe an eagle, like I don't know. At the same time, you like want it to be able to play Sky High, but it's just dumb. It's kind of stupid how the eagle can literally fall, while it can like in reality it could just fly back up, and also wouldn't have to jump on all these clouds. It could just fly right through it. So that's kind of weird. But yeah. So what do you guys think? Should I do Animal Jam YouTube? Not YouTube. Animal Jam AJ music videos. I think I'm gonna come out with one pretty soon, sometime this month or early next month. I'm not sure yet. We're about halfway through now. Hopefully I'll get to the top without falling weirdly because an eagle can just fly. But anyways. Whoa! Whoa, that was a big boost. That was really weird. But yeah, I'm getting close to the top, I guess, but yeah, hopefully I don't fall. I don't mind missing some gems. It's just like gems. But I'm gonna try and get them at the same time too. Yesterday, I went to the Toronto Auto Show. If you don't know Toronto, look it up. It's a very popular city, most popular city in North America, actually, and in Canada. It's home of the CN Tower, the world's third largest building. Well, when it was made, it was the world's largest building, but not now. Now it's the world's third largest building. I went to this big, huge auto show. I got in cars like the NSC Venom GT, world's fastest car there. I got in like Cadillacs, the old Cadillac. I got in the old Corvette, the new Corvette 2015 Z06 Corvette. Really cool. Got in these cool little trucks that were really beast to go in. But yeah, it was nice. If you live in the GTA or in Canada, in Ontario, you should consider going next year, or I don't know if you can. This is the last day when this video is uploaded to go. I went yesterday, but yeah, it's once a year. I think it's Friday and Saturday or something like that. But being this high up in sky high, I'm hoping that I'll get to the top and succeed on this. Oh, that was so close. I nearly went there. Careful. Like, I always get nervous when I'm at the top and all these phantoms here, and I'm like, oh, come on, don't fall or anything. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try and not fall and get to the top. I'm nearly there, so. Yay, made it, made it. Imagine if I failed right there. I'd be so, oh, cool. I have a couple of these, but I never got the red horned, like, pads, so that's nice. And 268 gems. That's a pretty good deal, I think. So these are the animals I have now. Incredible Magic Tiger, my tiger. Magical Magic Puppy, my starter wolf. I just thought the name was cute, and it's like beast, but I don't know I did that, but I like it. And sure. And Mythical Von Spirit, which is my eagle, my favorite. Whee! So yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Why is this person my dad? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who's this? Who blah blah? Who are you? Can I see? Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment some Animal Jam ideas for videos, and keep jamming on. I think I want to upload another video later today. I might do a party. I think I'm gonna commentate on the wolves only party and the trading party. I don't know, maybe, but yeah. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day. Bye.